This week's First Case Expert Series episode, entitled Inventory Management, was written by asset recovery expert Ashley Jackson, Vice President of Business Development at Masri. Having the right equipment at the right location and at the right time is the objective of inventory management. It's a crucial aspect of asset lifecycle management, as it ensures that healthcare facilities have the tools and resources they need to provide top-quality care to their patients. Inventory management is essential for the smooth operation of any healthcare facility. With the high cost of medical equipment and the constant demand for new and innovative technologies, effective inventory management is crucial for maximizing the lifespan and value of these assets. By tracking and managing inventory in real time, healthcare facilities can make informed decisions about when to repair, replace, or upgrade their equipment, ultimately helping to reduce costs and improve patient outcomes. Tracking the equipment through its life cycle within the hospital is a vital element of both supply chain and biomedical engineering. This includes maintaining accurate records of the equipment, including their location, condition, and maintenance history, and conducting periodic physical inventories to verify the accuracy of the records. Inventory management helps the hospital ensure that they have the assets they need to meet their objectives to offer quality services to their patients and that the equipment is being used and maintained effectively. Inventory management in the medical field is typically the responsibility of supply chain, logistics team, and/or biomedical engineering team, which may include materials managers, inventory analysts, and other professionals. These individuals are responsible for accurately tracking and managing the stock of goods, materials, and equipment in a healthcare facility. In addition to supply chain professionals, nursing staff and other clinical employees may also be involved in inventory management, particularly when it comes to tracking the use and disposal of supplies in their departments. Without inventory management, medical professionals might find themselves searching through piles of mismatched socks, or worse, sterile gloves, while looking for the necessary supplies. And, let's face it, no one wants to perform a checkup with a stethoscope that's seen better days, or administer medication with a syringe that's been rolling around in the back of the supply closet. So let's all take a moment to appreciate the heroes of inventory management, who work tirelessly to ensure that medical facilities are stocked and ready to save lives. Thanks for listening to this episode of the First Case Expert Series. For more asset lifecycle management questions and answers, you can contact Ashley at ashley.jackson@masri.com.